This is my 1993 Nissan 200SX, and over the last couple of months we have been building this thing into the ultimate drift weekend car. We've got quite a few things left on the list for us to do before we can get this car on the road, all done, ready for some drift events. So first thing on the list for us to get done is we need to sort out this intake system, because obviously if we've got any sort of unmetered air, we are going to start running lean. It's not going to run particularly well. So we went and got a few clips and stuff just so we can sort out this intake system a bit better. So with our intake system all sorted, we should have hopefully no air leaks with this. And also with the big air filter, I'm hoping we get some real nice induction noises along with that. So like any good drift S13, it needs a big funky body kit. And we've already got a bit of a good body kit going on, skirts are over there and all that. But what we have got to do is we have got to repair our front wing, which does involve a bit of fiberglass work because we did have an accident with this coming off the ramp when Wilkins's car was having an MOT. But that's fine, it's only fiberglass, so we need to repair this. Now, working with fiberglass, it is super important that we key all the necessary areas where the fiberglass is going to be sticking, because we want the fiberglass to bond in nicely with the other fiberglass. So it's super important that we key everything up front. I'm just hitting it with some 600, smooth it all out a bit, and make your sort of fiberglass is nice and secure. When it comes to fiberglass resin, is super important. You do not touch any of this, and we also want to get the mixture right. So I've gone for 100 ml of the resin with 3 ml of the activator, just because it's on a bit of a colder side today. I'd rather this dry a bit quicker than taking all day to go.
Engine bay as well? Is this supposed to go in the engine bay or not?
What does
Passenger footwell.
Whilst we're waiting on the fiberglass to all dry and set on the wing, we may as well go ahead and sort out our catch can lines. Now, the importance of a catch can, especially on a turbocharged vehicle, is you will get a lot of blow-by past the piston rings, which gives you a lot of crankcase pressure, and we need that to vent without throwing oil everywhere. Now, the original setup on this would have gone straight back into the intake and recirculated it, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to go straight to our can by here, which will monitor every drive to make sure we're not getting a heap of blow-by. But apart from that, we should be all good. To help keep the fittings in the head, we've gone for some Loctite 518, which is gasket sealant, which I'm hoping should hopefully keep these lines attached. With the fresh new studs installed on the turbo and new bolts on the downpipe, we can move on to finishing off some wiring. And as my dad finishes up on the wiring, it's time for us to get these clocks and fascia surrounds all in. our fiberglass is all set and gone super hard, so we can pull off our tape on this. So that is one repaired fiberglass panel. Obviously, you're gonna do a bit of body work on that to get that looking absolutely mint, but we've got all the strength back into it and it is super solid. We are having some quite big issues with trying to get the fiberglass wings to fit. So what I thought for now, if we get the metal ones on, just because we're on very much of a big time crunch, we can fit these being OEM, they should fit well, and it'll give us a couple less things we have to make the wings bolt up properly, because obviously the metal one's got a lot more rigidity in it, and we can bolt our bumper straight up into it. So just trying to sort out how to mount this wing, but it's completely solid, and I may get them painted as well. We'll see how we get on. With a wing mount, that is some fitment, that is. Now we've got the wings on, we can go ahead and get this front bumper attached. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah, she ain't going nowhere. Now we've got the front bumper all nicely and secure, we can go ahead and start getting these side skirts attached. Mounting the kit is made super easy with these riv nuts, which are just thread inserts that you can drill and pull straight into any sort of material pretty much, and it makes it so much easier for adding threads to bolt kits on. And there we have it, we have one side skirt officially installed onto the car, and this is looking absolutely amazing. Now it's time to get onto the rear bumper and get this mounted to complete the kit. And that's a full body kit installed. Yeah, and that's a full body kit installed. That is going absolutely nowhere. That's actually on there. Real sturdy and real tight. I think that's everything, to be honest. And that's the body kit completed and ticked off the to-do list on the S13. Now, the install of this body kit didn't quite go as smooth as I was expecting, but we did get there in the end. And it really has made the car look and feel a lot more complete with the kit finally mounted to the car. This is only part one of this video, and in the next video, we'll finally see the completion of the S13, and I'm hoping you all stick around to see that. But in the meantime, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll never miss another one of my uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.